Estimating teams are faced with numerous challenges to generate accurate takeoff faster. Quantity takeoffs help anticipate costs associated with materials, labor, equipment, and scope. The process of generating precise takeoff can be time-consuming and, if not done correctly, can result in costly mistakes and lost bids. Fortunately, Autodesk Takeoff is changing the way estimators work by taking advantage of the common data environment to store and manage all project documents, breaking down information silos often faced by estimating teams. Estimators can now quickly and accurately generate 2D and 3D takeoff in an easy-to-use, highly collaborative cloud-based solution. Let's take a look at how Autodesk Takeoff can help estimators start improving takeoff accuracy and saving time today. Teams can quickly get started by choosing the measurement and classification systems of their choice, providing a highly customizable experience. Estimators can choose multiple classification systems or even import custom classification by simply importing the Excel template during project setup. Project templates help improve standardization across the organization, enabling estimating teams to streamline the process of creating takeoffs in a faster and more efficient manner without having to start each project from scratch. Project teams can access all Autodesk Construction Cloud products from a single point of entry, eliminating the need to remember multiple logins. With enterprise-grade administration of users and projects, setting up projects and user permissions is simple. Since Autodesk Takeoff is built using a common data platform, accessing all documentation related to a project is simplified. Estimating teams can easily organize, distribute, and share files, ensuring all team members have access to the latest document set for robust version control. Having this centralized document management means that teams can spend less time looking for the correct files and focus on quantifying scope of work. Prior to starting your takeoff, simply set up your takeoff packages by divisions or scope of work to better align with your business needs. By creating a consistent way to create and manage takeoff data, we can start earlier in the process to standardize and better organize data for the entire project team. Autodesk Takeoff helps estimators easily capture project scope with linear, count, and area takeoff. Takeoff types can be imported from previous projects, resulting in time savings. Generating complex quantities are made easy by leveraging customized formulas all within Autodesk Takeoff, eliminating the need to perform error-prone calculations externally. Once Takeoff is created, you can easily duplicate, mirror, rotate and reassign takeoff, add vertices, or perform area cutout in an easy-to-use interface. Autodesk Takeoff allows you to move existing takeoffs to the latest version of the document without the need to retake off for tremendous time savings. Estimators can leverage model-based takeoff to further gain efficiencies during the takeoff process. Access quantities from BIM models for increased time savings and project scope visualization. By visualizing project scope in 3D, teams can better understand design intent and constructability issues, avoiding rework or costly mistakes. Access to the metadata provides additional context for performing model-based takeoff. When it comes to 3D, some estimators may not feel as comfortable navigating the model or performing takeoff in a 3D space. The process of performing 3D takeoff is very similar to the 2D experience, making it easier to account for all quantities that affect costs and schedule. Autodesk Takeoff makes it super simple to break down the model into clusters by grouping, allowing estimators to quickly perform BIM-based takeoff, reducing the risk of miscalculation and omissions. The Inventory panel helps team members to quickly audit where the 2D and 3D quantities are coming from and make an adjustment in the Inventory panel directly for improved efficiencies. Aggregated 2D and 3D quantities can be rolled up by classification and type to easily connect quantities to your estimating solution through Excel export. Start using Autodesk Takeoff today to generate your next quantity takeoff effortlessly by capturing all the information needed to improve your win rate and ensure project success from the very beginning.